Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Bhatia. I secured All India rank 336 and DPG rank 21. I am from Lady Harding Medical College, New Delhi.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja Anand. I have done my MBBS from Lady Harding Medical College and I've secured a rank of 13 in DPG, a rank of 231 in AIPG and a rank of 290 in DNB December 2016.
Okay, our secret to success is definitely DAMS. We're not just saying because we're giving this interview, it's because it really helped us in getting what we've got today. And I think she totally agrees with this.
Totally. DAMS has really been, the vital component in our success today. Each and every faculty has put in their best so that, we get the ranks that we have today. 24/7, they're putting in their hard work just to see us succeed, which I think is a really, really big thing.
What I would like to say would be that you should work really hard for this because this is what you've always wanted to do, and this is the time you can actually invest in achieving your aim. And when you're at DAMS, they're going to guide you. All you need to do is just work hard and give it your best. You're just getting the notes, or probably you've joined test and discussion. Whatever you've joined, you're getting all the guidance. All you need to do is apply it correctly and you can surely achieve it.
Truly, you need to have 100% faith in them. They are putting in their best so that you get the best. So never ever doubt them for a second. If they have given you something as XYZ in their notes, just follow it blindly because it is always and always going to be correct. And more than that, just focus ki MD is your dream. Everything else in the world can wait. The movie that you're watching today, you can watch it tomorrow or even a year later. But this exam, this seat, if you're going to keep delaying, it's going to get delayed even further. So just leave aside everything that is going to distracting you right now and just give in your 100% for this exam. You are going to definitely nail it.
And you really need to believe in yourself, and everything else can wait for now. You just need to believe in yourself and not give up, and
Truly.
just give it your best shot. This is just give it once. All your life you're not going to work as hard as you're working right now. It is just a matter of few months. You need to put in everything you've got and you will surely get what you are aiming for. And that is what DAMS is really going to help you, because you're going to get everything from your
Yes,
you can post on the club, you can ask your doubts, endless
And I think not
time.
just the doubts, even when you're feeling, little low key, hoga, nahi hoga, should I or should I not? Just message Sumer sir, message Deepti ma'am, or message any of the faculty. 24/7, they're always there to help you out. Not just the questions, whenever you feel like, ki yaar nahi, I should give up. Just talk to them instead of talking to any of your seniors or anyone else. Just talk to them. They're going to guide you so well, like so well, that even if you feel like giving up for a second, they will never ever let you give up. They are just going to push you till you actually make it. So just put in whatever it is, give in your 100%, and you will definitely make it.
Yeah, so the secret to success is just hard work, persistence,
Plain hard
determination, and you need to have faith in yourself. You really need to believe in yourself. Then only you will be able to do it. Plus, it's okay to doubt yourself. Everyone does that. But at the end of the day, you should have faith in yourself that हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ और मुझे करना है. इट्स ओके, सबके दिन आते हैं जो नहीं पढ़ते, एक दो दिन नहीं होती हर किसी से पढ़ाई. इट्स ओके, यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक इन बिटवीन, बट नॉट अ वेरी लॉन्ग ब्रेक दैट यू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. सो यू नीड टू गेट बैक टू इट. सिर्फ थोड़े महीनों की बात होती है. यू कैन एक्चुअली जस्ट गिव अप ऑन एवरीथिंग एंड यू नीड टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. यू नीड टू हैव फेथ इन योर सेल्फ. तो बस एक एम रखना है और एक टाइम टेबल रखना है और एक मतलब रास्ता रखना है कि कैसे करना है ये. मतलब अगर आप नोट्स पढ़ रहे हो, एमसीक्यूज पढ़ रहे हो, एक टारगेट रखो जो दिन में करना है और जो इन कमिंग मंथ्स में करना है. एक टारगेट होना चाहिए हमेशा कि हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट. एंड ठीक है, इट्स ओके इफ़ यू कांट फॉलो टाइम टेबल्स, इफ़ यू कांट uh, follow what you've decided. It's okay, it happens with everybody, but at the end of the day, you have to get back to it
Just
and
be persistent.
just
That's
be
the key.
persistent.
Don't
That
give
is
up.
the key.
And in the end, I would just like to quote some of Sumesh sir's quotes itself that really pushed me. One was that he said in the DVT that stretch yourself. The more you stretch, the more success you're gonna get. The second was, get out of your comfort zone. Success happens when you move out of your comfort zone. And third was, stop seeing problems as problems, start seeing them as opportunities and start tackling them. And the fourth, which is like my favorite, which is like, life is never fair, it was never meant to be, but in the end it is worth it. And the fifth, that he keeps saying it all the time, it's like, chak de, just give it your best and do it.
And remember, all your limitations, they're there in your mind.
Yes.
That's it. You
It's
are
not
limitless. Everybody is
impossible,
limitless.
it's
It is
possible.
it is possible for everybody. I was non-qualified in my first attempt. If I could do it, everybody can do it, and I always say this. So
Yes.
what you need to do is just work really hard as you've ever
Ever done
worked
it.
in your life. You need to just give it your best. That's it.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.